I introduced my nieces to sushi the other day, and to get them to eat it, I added some ham. They absolutely love double smoked ham. So this is definitely not the traditional way of making sushi, but it is my way, and it's actually quite fun and delicious. So first you're going to need some nori rolls. You can get these from all your supermarkets, and you want to place the shiny side down onto your bamboo mat. You can get these bamboo mats from Asian supermarkets, and you can even find them in supermarkets these days. So now for the rice, and I'm using sushi rice for this. It's the best rice because it's quite sticky. Now because it's sticky, you want to do this with a little bowl of water on standby. So we start by adding a generous amount just to the center, and then just spread it all the way out, leaving about a 1 to 2 centimetre border. So after you've got your rice there, place your hands in the water and then just spread it out. See how much easier it is to do with a little water on your hands. And the reason you want to use sushi rice as opposed to a standard long grain rice is because of the starch content. Because it's sticky, it's going to hold its shape nicely and wrap around all the delicious ingredients that we're going to add. So I'll start with a little mayonnaise, just the smallest amount. I think it goes so nicely with the ham, along with some soy sauce, a drizzle. Of course, you can just serve it on the side the traditional way. And then the ham, so double smoked leg ham, 2 slices. And we'll just fold it in half. You want to place it to the bottom end of the sushi roll. Some cucumber, carrot, but really this is what I'm adding. You can add whatever you like. You can keep it super simple too. And avocado. Okay, now to roll it. So grab your bamboo mat from the base and just tightly and confidently flip it over, press it down, and you'll see that that just starts to roll it over into that cylinder shape. Then we can start again and fold and just squish it together, and then do it again right to the end. Once you've completely sealed it, you can just place the mat over it and just roll it again into the desired cylinder shape. So just pressing that out. Looks pretty good. Okay, now we just need to slice it. So just with a sharp knife, I'll cut straight down the center. And there you have perfect ham sushi. You know, this is really fun to do with the kids at home. You can get them involved. They can create their own. The best thing about it is you can tailor it to what your kids love, and you can add it to their lunchbox.